split stage. This is simply where your stage is split. Now, if you're intending to split your stage, great, you can show us two things at the same time. But don't bring both of these scenes to life at the same time. Use your tableau skills so that one scene can come to life while the other freezes, and vice versa. Also, you stop the dialogue from whichever scene is frozen. So the scene can freeze whilst one side comes to life and they stop talking too, and then this can freeze as they come to life. You could be really clever with your split stage too, and maybe just have some subtle movements in the frozen scene while the other one continues in full. But be careful not to confuse your audience and that they're not trying to watch two scenes at the same time. So if you decide to split your stage, great, but be really careful that it's clear where you want the audience's focus to be.